How would you protect the planet? If the
Um,
superhero, if Spider-Man becomes a supervillain, how will you save the planet?
I will to pray God to save the planet because I don't have like enough muscles to fight them.
So, so our topic for today is superheroes. What, according to you, is a superpower?
Superheroes. Oh, I I forgot to take a look about on sorry on that listen.
So, so what do you think is a superpower? It's okay. You don't necessarily have to have a look at the notes. We will be just discussing it like two friends.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah,
what according to you is a superpower?
a superpower. You know, for according to myself, like I'm a father, so I've got a superpower. Like I have my family, I have my kids. Okay, even
Yeah.
if I am tired, but I have to help them. So actually, this is a superpower
That
because
truly is.
yeah,
With kids, a parent has that superpower. I think all parents are blessed with that superpower. So,
yeah.
what would you like to use your superpowers for?
If I had one,
Yeah. What would you do
um,
with it?
I would fly.
You would fly.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
yeah.
And
But I unfortunately I don't have wings. Otherwise, I would fly from building to another.
or also maybe fly across countries like a bird.
Yeah, maybe I will visit you someday
Yes, definitely.
if I had a
I'd be
superpower.
happy. So, do you watch superhero movies, like fictional superhero movies?
Yeah, but I'm not really into superpower movies, but because it's all about like sci fiction.
Yeah, but then
So
you have young kids, so I'm sure they must be crazy about, there's Spider-Man and Superman and
exactly, you are right. Yeah, they really into Spider-Man, and sometimes I have to watch Spider-Man with them. I mean, I like Spider-Man, but other movies like the Avenger movies, those
Captain
Marvel,
America,
yeah,
Marvel movies.
Marvel and DC. I'm not obsessed about this stuff. I like to watch more serious movies.
Okay, okay, that's okay. And
Yeah,
so basically, you're forced to watch Spider-Man because your kids like it.
yeah.
That must be pretty taxing. And you have to also look as enthusiastic as them, like you have to look all energetic and excited as well. So it's like a punishment for you. Am I right?
But sometimes when I look at their eyes, I like they feel like I'm sharing with them their interests, so they
True.
feel happy. Even if I don't want to watch it, or I don't want to play with them, for example, on consoles, Xbox or a PlayStation, but I have to share with them all these moments, so they feel very happy.
Right.
I can't touch actually that from their behaviors towards me. So
Yeah.
yeah, I consider myself like a superhero for my kids.
Kids.
Yeah,
So your daughters are really lucky to have a father like you, who
exactly. Yeah,
spends so much time, and their expectations out of a man are just going to skyrocket. They're going to have such high expectations. And that's a good thing, I feel. Everybody
uh,
should have high expectations.
expectation about what?
About, see, because you're such a good father, you're such a good husband to your wife as well.
Yeah,
So your
yeah,
young daughters are seeing that and they would not settle for anything less in life. Are you understanding what I'm
Ex-
saying? Be
yeah,
it with
yeah,
their partner
definitely.
or be it with their career choices or be it with their opinions, they are not going to settle for anything less, right?
Exactly. But sometimes they complain actually. They may complain like, Dad, we want to play like PlayStation. Please, guys, I don't have time. No, you always tell us like this. I don't like. I give me some space. I need to improve something or to work on something, because I used to play with them. I used to share with them. I used to read them stories in English, and sometimes I translate it to my mother tongue. So actually, you can say I'm practicing my hobby with my kids.
Yeah, fair enough. So, do you think that superheroes, let's say, for example, Spider-Man, should exist? Do you think they should exist?
Yeah, the world needs like these superheroes like Spider-Man and Superman.
Yep. And if, for example, the superheroes turn into supervillains, how do you think they would protect the planet if the
Um,
superhero becomes a supervillain?
well, they would ruin the
But how
planet.
would they protect? Think the other way around. How would they protect?
How who will protect? Like the government or the
How would
people?
you protect? How would you protect the planet? If the
Um,
superhero, if Spider-Man becomes a supervillain, how will you save the planet?
I will to pray God to save the planet because I don't have like enough muscles to fight them.
So, yeah, fair enough. I think, the coronavirus was the villain of our time.